Hey guys, look at the snow mounds all over. I've just gone out and just started driving. The roads are a little slippery, so I'm being extremely slow, but look how high the snow is all over. And I'm actually going to meet my friend, so it's a little long drive, but let's see how it goes. Hope I survive with no issues thanks to my Jeep. Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. I am driving literally in a snow kind of zone. The roads are full of snow still. They've cleared a lot up, but I'm just thankful I have a big SUV and not some sedan today. Like look here, my wheels are all on the snow, and those of you who haven't driven on snow, it's the most easiest way to skid your car. There's no traction. When you press the brake, the car just keeps moving forward and rolling forward. So anyways, going to meet my friend Jay. We have some fun planned in this video. Some crazy dads going out in the snow. It's about time. I was so bored sitting at home yesterday. Anyways, on the way. See you soon. Hey Jay.
What's up, Ryan?
How are you, man?
Hi guys.
The roads were... I think everyone knows you by now.
Yeah.
What did you bring? Coffee?
No, just the water.
Oh, you can try and put the net over there.
Oh,
Yeah, so the roads were pretty bad, yeah, Jay? Lot
it's a black top. You can see the black top.
skidding and everything. You want to drive?
No, I'm okay.
Okay, I'll
You want me
drive.
to hold the camera?
No, we'll
Okay.
see everyone over there. So that's Yuna, Jay's daughter, right? Is she
No,
playing out
that's-
there?
It's our neighbor.
Oh, that's his name.
Max and Matt, yeah.
Okay, we're heading where to, Jay? Wampao.
No, Ramapo. Ramapo Mountains in Mawa.
Ah, okay. Ramapao Mountains, if all goes well.
My
we'll
neighbor
reach
thinks we're crazy.
to go out. Yeah, but
It's gonna be fun, you
it's
know?
gonna be fun as long as no
Yeah.
skidding happens. I saw some cars on the road. They were
Snow day
skidding.
for the daddy.
Yeah. So Dad's day out. Let's hope we have some fun. Okay, we're gonna navigate there. See you soon. Driving and extremely slow. We are going like 30-40 miles an hour because the roads are wet. There's snow on the roads, and a lot of people are wondering why I'm out, but even Jay's neighbor was worried. But we said let's test the Jeep out, and Jay, show them the roads. It's a lot of snow, and these guys are shoveling on the driveway. So a lot of my friends have never seen snow, you know, on the channel.
True.
In India, there's no snow in most parts. Yeah, that's so beautiful. So bad news, the Ramapao Mountain Park we were going to, the whole park is closed because of the weather, which is something we guessed. I mean, look at it, guys. The whole place is white out. So this is just going to be a fun drive. Jay and I are going to find the nearest coffee shop and have a chat and have some fun. But we were going to go walk up the mountain in our snow boots and do stuff like that. But anyways, maybe in summer or spring, right Jay?
Right?
Should be open in a week or two, right? It's just the snow.
Yeah, it's a few days.
So yeah, we'll be back here, Ramapao Mountain. It's so pretty, the view here. And yeah, just wanted to update you guys because our initial plans have changed, and that's part of life. But just happy to be out driving, get to meet with my friend and chat up. You know, after working from home for so many days, you kind of get fed up, you know, sitting in the house. So it's nice to come out. It was a nice 20-25 mile drive to Jay's house. And now just let's see what we're going to do after this. So we're at Starbucks, and this is how deep it is. It's all snowed out here, guys. And Jay is buying me coffee, so that's good. So Jay is buying me coffee for me driving and bringing him here. That's fun. So the Jeep wheels are big and the Jeep did well, but it still skids, you know, at times on the snow. I mean, I would never ever ride a motorcycle in this kind of weather. I mean, look guys, I just want to show you how high the snow has piled up. It's absolutely shocking to see that the snow is like the same height as me. Check this out. All that is shoveled and cleared the road, but it's like 7 feet tall over here. That's how high it is. So yeah, giving you guys some idea of what goes on in winter.
I just hit the door.
Oh man, thanks Jay. You want to sit in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Car?
Yeah. So we've got our coffee. We're going to chat in the car because Starbucks has no seating.
Yeah, I just dumped the fresh water for nothing.
Why didn't they give it to you in your mug?
I think it's because
Safety?
of the coronavirus.
Man. Because so Jay had his own mug which he thought he'll fill coffee in that, which they usually do. I do it too, but they said because of the virus whole situation they're not gonna be using those mugs. They don't want to touch your mug, Jay. They think it's contaminated.
Understand.
Okay, time for some coffee. Alright guys, Jay is about to go. Jay, stay safe.
Stay safe, Ryan.
Take care. Nice. I mean, we just had coffee, but it was fun.
Yep.
Next time we'll go to the park, okay?
Okay. For sure.
And Jay and I were just planning to play some pickleball as well because we are tennis buddies, but we're planning some pickleball as well. Will you play pickleball with me?
Yep. Only one.
I didn't see the convincing yes. Okay, if I insist. Alright Jay, see you man.
Right, thanks.
Take care. Will you throw this for me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Be safe, man. Say hi to Yuna. Say hi to Yuna.
Okay.
And your wife.
Right.
Take care.
Okay.
Bye. Alright guys, time to wind up the video. Just reached home. Jay went home safely. Trust me, the roads are wet, the roads are slippery, there's black ice in some places. It's not very safe unless you have to go out. I took the liberty of going out because I'm in a Jeep and I felt okay, the wheels are big and everything, but I mean just look at this. Everything is still snowed up, the snow is still on, there are cars stopped anywhere and everywhere. So it's not the best time to be out, but I guess I went out and I'm back home safely. That's what I wanted you guys to know. So appreciate you joining this video and thank you very much for your support again. Take care guys. Bye.